Welcome back to Dancing in the Kitchen. So, several weeks ago, I uploaded a video on tips and tricks on how to make sourdough starter. However, I never actually showed you how to make the sourdough starter. So today, let me do that. So you're going to need some measuring cups, and you're going to need some kind of vessel. So here I have a mason jar. You can use a jar after spaghetti sauce or a bowl. Anything will work. So on day one, you want to measure out 60 milliliters, 60 grams actually, of flour. And 50 milliliters of water. Basically, you want to mix that up. And that's it. You want to leave that in a warm place. And the next day, you're going to do the same thing. However, day two, you're going to do 80 milliliters or 80 grams of flour and the same amount of water. Mix that up. Day three, we're going to discard 50% of this. In the morning, half a cup flour, half a cup of water. And then you mix that up. And then you do exactly the same thing. Discard 50% in the evening. And then you keep doing that for about 7 to 8 days. And you should see something like this. It's much thicker. This is a starter I've been using for about 4 or 5 months. And I just took it out of the fridge today and fed it. So once you get your starter to grow, and you can see that it'll grow by 50-60%, usually around day 7, 8. Might take longer depending on the flour they're using. You want to either keep feeding it if you're going to make bread, or you can put it in the fridge. I usually don't make bread every day, so we do it maybe once a week or once every couple weeks. So I put it in the fridge. You can leave it in the fridge for like a week. Just make sure you feed it at least once a week. So I just took this starter out of my fridge and I just fed it. So it's just not ready yet. By the end of the day, it should be ready. And the way you can test to see if it's ready, grab a bowl with some water, and you basically just take a spoon and you throw it into the water. You want to see if it floats. So as you can see, the starter is floating, so it's actually ready. Please don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for my next episode when we're going to make sourdough bread together.